Hello everybody, today I am going to be showing you how to use your lights in the 2019 Subaru Ascent. Give me just a second, we'll get right busy. Okay, so if you're sitting in the driver's seat, on the left side of the steering wheel there's a stalk, and if it's twisted all the way back toward the driver's seat, then it's going to be in its off position. If you twist it one click to the auto, when the sun is going down, it's going to turn your lights on. When the sun's coming up, it's going to turn your lights off. If you click one more time, those are the running lights. And you'll know that the running lights are on because you can see that little green light, that symbol is on your dashboard. And you'll also be able to see the running lights on the front of the car. And that's the LED. If you hit it one more time, that's going to be for your headlights. And then if you push the stalk away from the steering wheel, then that's going to turn on the brights. If you just want a quick flash of the brights, you pull it towards you. Now, if you see there's a little thick, grippy part, it's textured, and the inside of the stalk, that's this one here, that's so you can turn on your fog lights. Pulling it back toward the driver turns the fog lights off. Turning it away from the driver turns the fog lights on. Thank you so much for checking out my video. If you have any other questions about how to use your headlights or any other parts of the Subaru Ascent, go ahead and leave them in the comment below. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so that way every time I upload a video you get notified, and that way you'll be able to get to know your Subaru a lot better. I'll talk to you later, and thank you for your time.